King is the best thing. Those French fries in Burger King are the best things ever. In about a year though, I could make Burger King French fries. I haven't used the air fryer. But now since I'm lactose intolerant, I can't have milk. I can't have dairy. I can't have pizza anymore. I can't have anything with cheese. I can't have anything with dairy because I had a near-death experience last night, and it was really scary because I had chicken Alfredo, and we and I'm telling you right now, it was the Cajun chicken pasta. It had so much cheese in that. Oh, I'm telling you right now, I was wiped out. And so I will never do it again. I'm going to just quit dairy all in all, cold turkey. Because I have to. I mean, what else am I going to do? I have to change my eating habits up.